हाय हॅलो नमस्कार, स्वागत आहे तुमचं माझ्या चॅनलमध्ये. माझ्या चॅनलचं नाव आहे जॉमेट्रिकल वर्ड. आज आपण ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये डिव्हिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट शिकणार आहोत. पहिली टेस्ट आहे डिव्हिजिबल बाय 1. ऑल नंबर्स आर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 1. सर्व नंबर्स हे 1ने डिव्हाइड होतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 25 इज डिवायडेड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 25. 61 इज डिवायडेड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 61. नेक्स्ट आहे डिव्हिजिबल बाय 2. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all even numbers, then the number is divisible by 2. Example 336 has last number digit 6. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. 530, 530, last digit is 0. Then this number is also divisible by 2. Next, divisible by 3. Sum of digit should be divisible by 3. For example, 333. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. 505. 5 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, therefore 505 is not divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. Last two digit should be divisible by 4 or be 0. Example 832, last two digit 32 is divisible by 4, therefore this number is also divisible by 4. Next example 200. 200, last digit 00, therefore this number is also divisible by 4. Next, divisible by 5. Last digit should be 0 or 5. Example 150. Second example 225. Divisible by 6. Number should be divided by both 2 and 3. Example 306. 306 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 6. 108. Next, divisible by 7. Double the last digit and subtract from the remaining number. Example 133. 133, last number is 3. Therefore, double the number. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Remaining number is 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Therefore, 133 is divisible by 7. Next, 672 has last digit 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Remaining number 67. 67 minus 4 is equal to 63. 63 is also divisible by 7. Therefore, 672 is also divisible by 7. Divisible by 8. Last 3 digit should be divisible by 8 or 000. Example 2432. Last 3 digit 432 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 2432 is divisible by 8. Next example 4000. 4000 has last 3 digit 000. Therefore, 4000 is divisible by also 8. Next, divisible by 9. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Example 927. 9 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 927 is also divisible by 9. 504. 5 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible 9, therefore 504 is divisible by 9. Thank you.